profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Love's the word, spins the vibe. Lovers it girl, freak what you are. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up.
Hello, everybody.
What's going on, everyone? How you doing? How you been?
As you can see by our new background, we were getting a little bit of the spirit of new number, new change, new background.
Yeah, so, we decided to fill everything out a little bit better. So we hope you guys like it.
Yeah, for all that struggle of building IKEA shelves.
Gotta love IKEA.
So today we're going to be doing Kittysamsworld mail swap that she sent to us for the month of February. We sent her one, so don't forget to check over to their channel and check out what we got them. We're going to put the link in the bottom. But before we do that, I wanted to make something a little bit special today because I'm the person that comes up with all the surprises, other than the surprise Asian thing. Whatever, we'll go back to that. But today, I want to invite my niece, Janelle's, onto the stage.
Whoa!
Yes.
Our first guest appearance on the Poppin' Couple.
See her shirt? So introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Janelle. I'm 9 years old.
And do you like pops?
Yes.
Do you have any pops?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you want to go get your pop?
Yeah, I'll go show you guys.
She's very excited. I'm very excited to see what kind of pop she has.
She's back.
Okay. I have this one, and it's from Star vs. Forces of Evil, and I got Star Butterfly.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You like that show?
Yeah, me and Titi always watch it. We always watch it.
That's such an awesome show.
Do you see anything about her you want to talk about?
I like her wings. I want to talk about her wings because her wings are very pretty.
They look like a butterfly's wings, right?
Yeah.
No paint defects as I can see. There's a little bit of a crust on one of her 6 arms. And the wand has a bit of an issue there, but otherwise she's a really cool pop. I love this show. I watched like every episode of it, especially with Janelle's. Jeffrey, do you have anything on her?
I mean, I think it's phenomenal with the bow on the back of the stand. I mean, that's pretty
really
cool detail.
Yeah.
And I didn't realize how, if you see in the back, the bow is actually connected to the stand. So
Yeah.
I think that's actually pretty cool. They did a phenomenal job with that.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm glad that was your first pop.
We're going to put her right here for now. Don't forget her. Okay. So we're going to get right along and open up the box.
Now, this is a pretty big box.
This is from Kittysamsworld. Oh, I see a blanket.
Oh, all right. So we got a note from Kittysamsworld. I'll have Asia do the honors.
So it's a little kitty.
As you guys see, it's a little kitty.
Okay, so I'm going to have Jelly, before she leaves, to just read off our card from Kittysamsworld.
Okay, so it says, P.S. The pop in the white box is for
Jeff.
And very special. Hope you love it. And the
Magazine.
the magazine as well. The blanket is for Asia. Hope it replaces the one she lost.
I told the story about how we went to Vegas and I left my white blanket on the pillow.
And it's white.
And it looks exactly like the blanket I left on. Alright, hi Jeff and Asia, the Poppin' Couple. Thank you so much for doing this mail swap with us. We hope you love everything we picked out for you and can't wait to see you open it. Love Kittysamsworld, aka Samantha and Melanie. Oh, that's so
thoughtful.
cute.
Can I
That's
take one
awesome.
thing out?
The blanket.
Okay.
Alright, you want to take it out?
Yeah. So the
Oh
first,
wow, it's so soft. Oh,
there's
it's inside of it.
yeah.
Alright, Jeffrey, you take the box, thanks. Oh, that's so cute. Alright.
Oh, that's awesome.
Alright. The 3 boxes. Alright, so before we go through the boxes, Johnny, sign off.
Bye.
It's been so real having you.
We'll
Thank
have
you
you
for
again.
Okay.
We'll have you again soon, alright?
Okay, bye guys.
And jelly.
I'm so excited to see what we got. All right.
So,
I guess
we'll leave the mystery box for last.
Okay, and I'll just take a nap on my new blanket.
This is actually really soft.
Yeah, you're not going to be able to use it.
I will definitely take a trip. It's wolf-like. Alright, so the first pop that we have, we've definitely wanted this for quite some time, and
Yeah, you keep looking at it, you're just like, not yet.
yeah, I know, it's just like, because it's tough to just want to
Collect every freaking
Yeah,
Deadpool.
you gotta spend your money wisely. So this is awesome. Thank you so much. I'm definitely glad.
I feel like a cat. Being.
I'm definitely glad to have this. No, it is very. I can understand why you'd want to do this, but yes, this pop is definitely phenomenal. I mean, I love the bedtime Deadpool, especially him in the robe.
Bedtime. I get it.
And he's holding your favorite panda.
I like pandas.
Stuff. Yes, she loves pandas. But this is phenomenal. This is awesome. Thank you guys. Greatly appreciate it.
He in his unicorn slippers.
Yeah, you know Deadpool loves his unicorns. What we got next?
All right. Sorry, I messed up my hair a bit. We got Cinderella.
Give it to me. What a gown this will be. Bibbidi-bop, bibbidi-bop, bibbidi-bop.
She's like my favorite princess. I like her. Mommy, this is like the classic one.
It's pretty.
I like this one. I like it a lot. I like, she's like my favorite princess, and I don't have a Cinderella, which is really strange. Like I had my Halloween costume. Mommy got me a Halloween costume that was Cinderella. You remember that? And Lexi was Belle. Yeah, I just
Still have it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. We gotta squeeze one of. Maybe Janelle's can squeeze into it.
She could be a princess.
Yeah. Back then, when costumes were actually made of real quality. But yeah.
How'd she look?
Like,
Lovely in her ball gown.
yes. She like matches the mold of like the original one.
Mm-hmm.
You remember how like I didn't like the original one because she looked fat?
Yeah.
She has a waist here.
So she's fit out perfectly in her dress.
Yes.
That's awesome.
Oh wow, she has ears here. No, because like in the cartoon, like I don't know if they just made her earrings really huge or like her headband or what was going on. But if you look at the cartoon, she doesn't have ears.
I never noticed.
The only reason I
Never really
noticed it was
watched
because
Cinderella.
when Wreck-It what?
Are you talking about from
No, I'm talking about the actual. Did you say you never watched Cinderella?
not the cartoon? No. Why would I want to do that? Am I wrong? Apparently I'm wrong.
I'm not okay with this.
There's a lot you haven't seen that I'm not okay with. So, your list is long. Okay? Your list is long.
Anyways, you're gonna see Cinderella.
Well, whatever.
But like the reason that I noticed the whole like her not having ears thing was like when Wreck-It Ralph was coming out, like people were posting like, I was wondering why Cinderella looks so weird, and then I looked back at the old photos and I noticed that she didn't have ears, and Wreck-It Ralph gave her ears, and I was just like, wow.
So they probably realized their mistake, and they were just like, you know what? We kind of dropped the ball on this one for decades. Let's add some ears onto her now. That's cool though.
I love her.
See,
She's so
she
cute.
knew exactly what to get you.
Yes. Now I'm curious about yours.
Let's see what the mystery box is. It's exciting. Let's see what they got us, but we'll let you guys see it first. So, without further ado, Mama Poppin has all smiles.
As if they're coming after him, and they do. And he's in trouble. Wentz will be escaping from the 18-yard line. How in the world did that happen?
Oh. Oh my gosh.
My blanket's still better. Now you're definitely not allowed to touch my blanket.
Guys, thank you so very much. She tricked me. Wow. I'm a loss for words. And it's funny because
It's really cool.
it's a signed Carson Wentz Funko Pop
I got chills.
from the recent line of the football pops. I'm speechless. Wow. I don't even know what to say.
Oh, you look like you're getting silly.
This I mean, from like I said, this from people that we really don't fully know, and for her to do this is like beyond words. It's like this is definitely going in. I'm getting a pop stack for this. Like, this is not even going in a regular pop protector. This is going in a pop stack. Because I actually have
Down the bottom.
a Carson Wentz already that my cousin got me for Christmas. But yeah, now I actually have both of the Carson Wentzes.
That's really cool. That's freaking amazing. You guys really like pay attention to every detail. Like, I mentioned this once, and you guys don't understand how happy I was to actually see this in the box. Like, my sister growing up, she had, well, still has it, like I mentioned in that video, the Scooby blanket that I was never allowed to touch. So like, I always called my white one my Scooby blanket because like it was soft like hers, and like when I lost it, I was really upset. This one's even better. The other one like hardly fit me. This one looks like it'll fit my entire bed, and I'm so excited.
I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it.
That is, guys, you.
Oh my God.
Man, that's.
I think we need a redo.
Like, we definitely need to give you guys a bit more, because that was. I don't know what to say. I really don't. I'm so stuck, and I'm so appreciative. Like, you guys are awesome for doing this.
Your magazine.
Oh, yes. So, they also got us this magazine. And at the beginning, I was a little bit confused. But I did realize that it had where Carson Wentz went to school. So,
Keeping the Eagles in mind.
you gotta keep the Eagles always in check. But it actually has all the players and everything that went to North Dakota. So like, we were like briefly looking through it, and then like Asia was just like, confused about the whole magazine portion.
Because I have no idea what's going on.
And then she stumbled upon the page that has Carson Wentz on it. So, oh man, this is probably one of the best things I've received from, outside of my immediate people. But I'm sorry, I'm just a loss for words. Like, this reminds me of the reaction that you had from when you saw Vanellope from the mystery box.
Talking.
But yeah.
This is amazing, honestly. I'm
Melanie,
speechless.
Sam, thank you guys so very much. This is honestly a lot that we were not expecting.
Kitty.
And yeah. So again, we thank you so very much. All right, guys. Now you know what time it is.
Okay. So, I'm gonna go all corny out for this one. Alright. So, why did the turkey cross the road?
Why?
Because it was the chicken's day off. Hi, how are you?
Oh, I can't.
What word in the dictionary is spelled incorrectly?
I'm scared to even ask.
Incorrectly.
Touche. I got a headache.
Too many different emotions.
Back to back jokes. This caught me. That was awesome. So.
Wait.
Yeah. All right, guys. Well, that's the video. We hope you enjoyed, and we hope you got to be as surprised as we were for this unboxing. They did an amazing job. So we will link their channel in the description so you guys can check them out. Who knows? Maybe you could be up next.
TV shows now. Mm-hmm. All right, so you know the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell for the ring-a-ding-ding.
All right, guys. Poppin' couple.
We're out.
You're still here. It's over. Go home.